Cat CS54B cab unit. Want to start just in the engine before I do a video because I got the hood open already. No blow by. It's been maintained by the dealer. Tires are in really good condition. They've obviously been replaced, pretty new. Isolators are good. That tire is newer than this one. Some paint coming off there just due to age. I don't see any damage anywhere. No leaks anywhere. $3,072 hours. Sorry, I'm getting some pictures too. Glass is good. AC is blowing. I think it needs a little bit of a charge. It's just not blowing. I mean, it's cold enough, but it's not blowing completely cold. So definitely needs a charge. This isn't closing properly, but other than that, really can't take up too much issue with the machine. This door wants to fly open on me, so I'm not gonna too crazy turning. But it articulates well. Make it turn here. But the steering cylinders feel good. The machine operates really well. Like I said, it was maintained by the dealer. All the recommended service intervals and any issues that arise. That's how it pounds sand. But that's all I got for you. Door lock, which is going to be an easy fix. I think that's an easy fix as well. On the AC, a little bit more Freon. Everything seems to work fine. Check out. No issues. Can't tell it's got 3,000 hours on it. Feels less. There you go.